Hi guys, I am Shahzad from Shakzee.com and welcome in Sounds World. Today we are going to learn how can we remove the noise from your audio. So the tool we are going to install is the Audacity. So type the Audacity on Google. As you can see, this is the official website of the Audacity. So audacityteam.org. So now they are saying it's a free tool and it's a cross platform for your audio software. So they have multiple versions, Windows and some other versions. So I'm a Windows 10 user, that's why I am going to install the Windows version. If you have the Mac or Linux, you can download that particular versions from here. So as you can see, this is the Windows version and these are the Mac and Linux version. So now click on this bad boy. So now as you can see, they are saying Audacity 2.3.3 installer includes user manuals and without user manuals. So it's totally dependent upon you which versions you are going to download. So now I'm going to click this bad boy. So as you can see, it's saying Windows installer. So the size is 21 MB. The current version is the 2.3.3 while I'm recording this lecture. So if you are the Linux user, you have to download the Linux source. Okay, now click on this one because I am the Windows user. So now I'm going to install, I'm going to download this one on my desktop. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to replace this one. So you can easily understand how can we download this software and how can we install this software. Okay, now just click on this because we have successfully downloaded this version. Click on this, downloaded. So yes, okay, next, read your license, next, select your path where you want to install these files or this software. So next, create a desktop shortcuts. I'm saying fine. You can also check this bad boy, but I'm not going to check this one. So next, wait for a few seconds. Once you install the software, and I have, okay, next, and now I'm saying launch this software. So Audacity, how can you pronounce it? It's really dependent upon you. I'm going to how can you select the audio? You can select the audio by go to the files, open. So you can also click on the Control O to open your files. I have a file on desktop named dummy. It's a .wav web files. You can also select the mp3 and some other files. So now listen, this is the noise. Select this. Okay, now as you can see, the audio quality is also poor. And then now I'm going to Control A. I'm going to select all the audio, and now I'm going to go effects, amplify. Now I'm saying allow. I'm going to increase the volume of this audio. So 8.9. Yes. So now as you can see, we have successfully increased the volume of the audio. Now listen, to remove we also have the noise. So how can you remove your noise? So select the particular noise. Now go to the effects and find the noise reduction. Click on this one and click this get noise profile. You can also set these noises or these settings. So click this one and now select all the audio and select the noise reduction, and now click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds. The tool is now removing the noise from your audio. So now as you can see, you also have the noise. It's okay. Now I'm going to remove this noise again. So I'm going to select the area of the noise and I'm saying noise reductions, get noise profile. Now I'm going to select all the audio and I'm saying remove all the audio, all the noise from my audio. So wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, you have successfully removed the noise. So play this one. Okay, fine. So this is the tool, and we are going to download this tool. Okay, now how can you export? Go to the file, export. So these are the options available to export your audio. So you also have the options mp3, wave, OGG. Now I'm going to export this version .wav. Select your path where you want to export this one. So I'm going to export at my desktop. Now I'm saying fine, dummy fines. Okay, wait for a few seconds. It's exporting. Now this is my desktop and this is a dummy fine. Hi guys, I am Shahzad from Shakzee.com and welcome in. So as you can see, we have successfully removed the noise from the audio. So as you can see, this is the actual audio. Hi guys, I am Shahzad from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number. So we have a noise in this audio. So in this way, you can remove the noise from your audio. So if you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. If you have not subscribed our channel, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss the update. So thank you for watching.